If you're athletic or have a passion for fitness, you will love today's trendy niche suggestion. If you're looking to start an online business, did you know dropshipping sporting goods is actually a high-selling way to go? Keep watching to learn how to find reliable suppliers and products for your store. Hi everyone, my name is Alicia and you're watching the Ali Dropship channel. We specialize in dropshipping solutions that let you build your own online store and sell products from AliExpress to any country in the world. Learn more about what we can do for your business goals with the links in the description. In this video, we will walk you through dropshipping niche sporting goods and how you can go about getting started. Dropshipping sporting goods can become your winning ticket because there's always high demand for gear such as yoga mats, sweats, workout tank tops, resistant bands, and more. Just look at the number of search requests on Google Trends. From clothing to equipment and accessories, the sporting goods category allows you to sell a wide variety of items, which means attracting more customers and greater sales. In fact, in 2018, the sales volume of the sporting goods stores in the US amounted to about $50 billion. Now, don't rush just yet. Before you start getting into dropshipping sporting goods, there are several things you should know. First, if you're just starting out, we recommend focusing on products that are low cost by high quality. These items will let you attract a wider target audience, and anything with a low price tag, like items you see at a checkout stand in store, can trigger impulse purchases, which help rack up a shopping cart's value seconds before checkout. Remember, everyone loves a lower price, but no one wants to compromise on quality. So how do you find high quality stuff then? The best way is to find reliable suppliers. That's right, finding a reliable supplier is crucial no matter what niche you have picked for dropshipping. Because a reliable supplier means product quality from craftsmanship to production quality will be much better than that of an ordinary average supplier. But searching for a trustworthy supplier by hand can take a lot of time, and mistakes from trial and error can cost you money. That's where Ali Dropship Insights comes into play. Ali Dropship Insights is a free database containing thousands of products and hundreds of time-tested suppliers from AliExpress. Here you can see how long a supplier has been working on AliExpress, how many followers it has, and its rating is. Follow this link to sign up for Ali Dropship Insights for free. Best sporting products to sell. Now you know a cool free way to help you find reliable suppliers. The only question remaining is what products you should pick. To give you a head start, we have prepared a list of 14 product ideas for dropshipping sporting goods. Let's take a look at what's hot right now. You can't work up a sweat without the right sweatpants or leggings, right? Sport pants are an absolute must-have for men and women alike. And for the ladies, a t-shirt isn't always the most comfy thing to wear to work out. That's where sport bras come in. With different styles and designs, sport bras are essential to any sporting goods store. They are excellent for yoga, dance, Pilates, or outdoor runs. And speaking of yoga, it's more and more popular to help find zen and peace. Yoga pants are breathable and comfortable, making them a must-have for women. In fact, many women love yoga pants as casual wear just because of how comfortable they are. Yoga shorts is also another category for women that's ideal for dropshipping sporting goods. It's also a great idea to offer yoga outfit sets so shoppers can buy matching tops and bottoms for a complete look. And we can't talk about yoga without mentioning yoga mats, which are essential for studio and remote at-home workouts alike. Working out from home has boomed this year due to worldwide lockdowns. Many people have turned to bringing the gym to their home, so equipment such as resistant bands and ropes have been extremely high in demand. And of course, a workout isn't complete without the right shoes. Whether you're taking a jog outside at a local park or doing a workout in your backyard, having supportive shoes is key. Remember, not everyone wants to spend a fortune on branded or overpriced alternatives, so having cheap, quality shoes on your site cannot be overlooked. Besides clothing and gear, supportive accessories are also important. They add support and help for those with injuries or those who want to correct their workout form. For example, ankle supports are great for runners and daily joggers to prevent sprains. People who engage in sports regularly often buy arm sleeves too to help muscles recover. They also help block out UV rays from the sun. Lifting weights and engaging in intense workouts can also take a toll on the spine. That's why these posture-correcting supports are super popular in dropshipping. They are also great to wear outside of sports in everyday, day-to-day. Knee supports are also great to have to cater to those who run, play soccer, basketball, football, and more. It's all about preventing tears and injuries. Waist support equipment is another product that you can't not have in sporting goods online store. Waist supports are popular in weightlifting and bodybuilding, so be sure to offer this item on your website. Finally, certain sports require protection for hands and wrists. From biking to weightlifting and strength training, there is a variety of hand protection you can offer. As you can see, dropshipping sporting goods offers a chance to turn your online business into a gold mine. There are so many products in different categories for multiple sport and workout needs, and the Ali Dropship team can help you with it. We have a blog that shares business and marketing insight for dropshipping, often in step-by-step guides that are easy to read and follow. You can also find great detailed tutorials on our YouTube channel, such as our video on Facebook Ads Strategy, to learn how to get set up and boost Facebook ads. Want to get custom with an e-commerce site? Sports not your thing? You can reach out to us to create a custom store from scratch just for you. Or you can purchase one of our established stores, dropshipping sites that are already making money. Want to learn the difference between these options? Just watch our next video. Bye!